lost here at 0400 Zulu.
But the radar track continued for another 3 minutes.
We need to correlate that with the satellite imagery of...
The missile, launched here at Mach 2, tracked the evasive maneuvers of Aircraft A. Pilot deployed flares.
The telemetry from 871 shows a sharp deviation at 0400 hours.
The unidentified contact accelerated.
So what happened over the ocean, Captain? We encountered unexpected resistance near the target. The starboard engine took a hit, but we managed to egress.
We lost contact at grid reference G24. Tail number 871 confirms visual.
But where did the contact go? It just disappeared.
The radar traces show definitive signs of electronic interference, General.
But the visual confirmation on the F-16 data suggests advanced stealth capabilities.
The Pacific track is showing the same signature. We have correlation with the Atlantic event.
Data confirms F-16 tail number 8. The jets return at sunset, signaling the end of the mission. But there are questions about the context. It has to be advanced stealth. The return data is too fragmented.
Or sophisticated electronic interference, Colonel. We can't ignore it.
At 1400 hours, we achieved radar lock on the unidentified contact. Tail number 871 confirmed visual shortly after.
We're following developments over the Atlantic, where an F-16 had an encounter with an unknown object.
That's right, Charlie. We're looking at the radar signature right now. Finalizing upload of mission 871 logs. Securing all radar data now. Confirmed. All files encrypted and classified. The global network absorbs the anomaly. F-16 tail 871 returns to base, but the strategic questions linger.